In this video, I will be showing you Canva recipe template. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen by clicking into the search bar and typing recipe book. As the results populate, I can browse through various categories like book covers, recipe cards, and documents to find the perfect layout. I found a white, simple, modern pizza recipe card that I really like, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. First, I'll click on the main title to highlight it and change pizza to Mediterranean grilled chicken and quinoa bowl. Since the new title is longer, I'll drag the edges of the text box to expand it and move it into the proper position. To refine the look, I'll open the spacing tool to slightly adjust the letter spacing and line height until the text fits perfectly. Now I want to replace the pizza photo with something that matches my recipe. I'll navigate to the Magic Media tab in the left sidebar and paste a detailed description of the chicken and quinoa bowl into the image generator prompt box. After I click Generate Image and wait a few moments, Canva provides several options. I'll select the one that looks most appetizing and simply drag it over the existing image to swap them. Next, I'll update the preparation time, total time, and servings to reflect the new dish. Moving down to the ingredients, I'll change the heading to Ingredients and replace the original list with my chicken and quinoa components. I'll follow the same process for the topping ingredients section, renaming it the salad toppings and adding items like fresh spinach, cucumber, and feta. I can also repurpose the notes section at the bottom to list the ingredients for my lemon tahini dressing. Now I'll focus on the preparation steps. I'll select all the text in that column and replace it with my specific cooking instructions, from grilling the chicken to assembling the final bowl. Once the content is in place, I'll spend a moment cleaning up the layout by ungrouping elements and shifting the text boxes for a more balanced, professional look. Finally, I'll add a pro tip section at the very bottom with a quick note about meal prepping. And that's it.